Good morning, everybody. Today is going to be a kitchen day. I'm going to try to work through some stuff that I have in the fridge that needs to be taken care of. I find that if I don't take at least one day a week to specifically dig through the fridge and find those things in the back that just get shoved and forgotten about, that I'm wasting a lot of food. This is my way that I attempt to not waste as much food. So a lot of what I do on a day like this is repurposing leftovers, because I'll make something and, people eat it for one meal and enjoy it pretty well. But then they're not excited to go back and eat it, 12 times throughout the week. And so if I could repurpose the leftovers into something just a little bit different, it kind of refreshes it and makes it more exciting again, and it's more likely to get used and not get fed to the chickens. I do love that we have chickens, because even in those times, because it does still happen, where stuff just doesn't get eaten, I feel happy that we are repurposing the food back into eggs, which is fantastic. So at least there's that. So anyways, on my last What I Eat in a Day video, I made some topping for a steak that I had with mushrooms and onions and bacon. That's what it was, bacon. And that was fantastic on the steak. And I have more of it in the fridge. And I was thinking it would make a really good addition to a egg casserole. I was thinking that would be really good. So that's a good way to use up that leftover so it doesn't go to waste. So I'm thinking I'm going to do that. I need to make more breakfasty stuff. I'll probably cook up some sausage links for breakfast this morning and then extra for, future days. And then I am planning to make some chicken wings for dinner. I have some defrosted. Those are some that I parted out and vacuum sealed in I think it might have been the same food prep video. And so I'm going to be using some of those to make wings for dinner tonight. And then of course I need to think of something else to go along with those. I have some veggies like cucumbers, at least cucumbers. Anyway, so I am going to be working in the kitchen. I will be bringing you along. I also really hope to make some kind of an egg white bread. I'm thinking I might make coconut milk egg white buns. Those are really good, super fluffy. They surprised me, being dairy free. I was like, man, these are fantastic. And I haven't made them in a while, and I was thinking that would be a good thing to have for sandwiches and breakfast sandwiches and things like that. So might do that. Hopefully I'll get to it, and I'll bring you along on whatever exciting stuff ends up happening in the kitchen. This is the mushrooms, bacon, and onion I'm going to be using for the casserole. And I'm going to go ahead and probably just cook up all of these, because a lot will get eaten this morning, and then there'll be some to eat for the rest of the week or for maybe a few days. We went blueberry picking yesterday at a U-Pick farm right near our house, and so this is all we have left. We had about double this after we were done, but everyone's been eating them like candy, so that's what we have left. They'll probably just get eaten fresh. I probably won't have to worry about using them up in something. Everybody loves fresh blueberries so much that don't have to worry about that. Taking a quick break outside with my sparkling element. These are fantastic. We've been really enjoying them. I love, real quick, about these, that they're so different from like a Zevia soda. They're super different from just a regular sparkling water. It's like a completely different experience. So it's not like just getting another flavor of sparkling water. It actually has stevia in here, which sparkling water doesn't have sweetness usually. And so it's like, it's just another experience, and super good. So the sparklings are a every once in a while treat. I don't have those daily. What I do have daily is the little packets of drink mix. They each have 1,000 milligrams of sodium, 200 milligrams of potassium, and 60 milligrams of magnesium. I can get away with just one packet per day, but usually, especially in the summer right now, I'm drinking 2 packets per day. That helps me feel hydrated, helps me feel my best, whether it's a workout day day or a kitchen day or a chasing the kids around day. It's just what I need to make me feel my best. Now that I have been taking electrolytes for quite a long time, I've kind of found my sweet spot there. When I first started taking them and I was really trying to get balanced, I was really in an unbalanced place with my electrolytes. I found that I had to take quite a bit. So you kind of have to listen to your body and figure out what it needs, but then the needs can change as your body gets replenished. So anyways, Element has a special deal for all of my viewers. If you want to get a free sample pack that has 8 of their regular flavors to try, you can get that for free just by using my link, drinkelement.com/indigo, drinklmnt.com/indigo. Click that link, place an order on the website for anything, either the drink mix or if you want to try the sparkling. When you place your order after clicking that link, the sample pack will automatically get added. Thanks again to Element for sponsoring the video today. Got to get back to the kitchen. Renee decided she wanted to have cucumbers with her breakfast. And what was it you just said?
I want to eat it in a beautiful way.
She wants to eat it in a beautiful way. I thought real quick I'd give you an update on these nonstick pans that I have had now for, I went back and looked, and my unboxing video of it was in May of last year. So it's been a year and a quarter now that I've had them. And so this is the smallest one, and you can see still very nonstick. I use this pan primarily just for eggs. So if I'm cooking individual eggs for members of the family or for myself, or little omelets, things like that. So I don't do a lot of frying in this, like frying steaks, browning stuff. So it has kept its nonstick amazingly, like it still looks brand new. It's amazing. So this one that I just used for the sausage is the biggest one, and there's one in between as well. But this one and the middle one that I use more for frying, like browning steaks, really high heat, different things like that. Both of them have lost some of their non-stick capabilities. So I just want to give that update. They did keep them for a long time, and I felt like I got lulled into a false sense of security thinking, oh, these are going to stay non-stick no matter what I do. They still have some non-stick, but they definitely have lost some. So if I were to buy these pans again and do it over, I would save them just for cooking things like eggs, where I need the non-stick, but it's not going to damage the non-stick coating. And then I would probably have some kind of a just regular cast iron pan for doing like searing steaks, any kind of searing. And I'd separate it out and not do it in these. So anyways, that's just my update. I'm still super happy with them, especially this one that I've kept really nice. I like the nonstick is incredible. Egg casserole is done. I'm gonna slice it up and then let it cool all the way before I put it away. Oh, I also found these in the fridge that I need to use up, some jalapenos. And so with the chicken wings tonight, I'm also gonna make some jalapeno poppers. That will be delicious. And so I'm gonna get this cut up, let it cool, and then get it put away. And that'll be something that's easy for people to pull out whenever they need an easy, quick breakfast. I'm gonna go ahead and get the jalapeno poppers prepped. Probably not gonna cook them right away, but these are easy to prep in advance and then cook when you're ready. I always cook them in the air fryer, and I always do them very simply with just cream cheese stuffed in them, wrapped with bacon. It's like that combination is so good, you don't need to add a whole bunch of other stuff to it. So I am just gonna get working on that.
What are those, Mom?
Jalapeno poppers. Have you ever had one?
No, I don't like jalapenos.
Yeah, I think you do.
They're spicy.
Yeah, a little bit. But these have cheese and like cream cheese and bacon, so it like tones it down.
Yeah.
So our dinner ended up being Super Bowl food. Lots and lots of Super Bowl food. And it was delicious. I did not end up getting the egg white bread made. I just ran out of time, and I'm gonna have to save that for another day. Thanks for hanging out in the kitchen with me today, and I'll just see you in the next video. You got a little something on your face.